If you've been involved in a car accident in Georgia, one of the most important things you should know is this. You generally have 2 years from the date of the wreck to have a lawsuit filed. Georgia law imposes a 2-year statute of limitations for most personal injury cases. If you miss that deadline and a lawsuit isn't filed, you will have no recourse and will not be able to recover for your damages, even if you had a strong case. There are some exceptions that can extend the deadline. For example, if you're a victim of a crime and there are criminal proceedings pending, that can toll the statute of limitations. It's also important to note there are some situations where there are other deadlines in addition to the statute of limitations if the case is against a state or local municipality. If the at-fault driver was driving and working for the state or a county government, you're generally required to have what's called an ante litem notice submitted within 12 months of the incident. If the at-fault driver was working for a city government, there's generally a 6-month ante litem notice requirement that must be completed or you will not be able to recover for your damages. These deadlines are strict and mandatory. If you miss them, you'll lose your right to bring a claim. That's why it's important to make sure that you have an experienced attorney that can advise you on applicable deadlines, statute of limitations, and other key deadlines. Getting an attorney early on not only protects your rights and ensures that these deadlines and requirements are met, but also greatly improves the chance of preserving key evidence, identifying witnesses, and building a strong case.